A pre-owned 2010 Toyota Tundra grade 4-wheel drive. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with 4-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 87,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.